Well, we're heading in. We got 3 deer out in the field where we've been sitting right in front of the ground line. Just a crappy wind for that spot tonight, so we're not going over there. A little spike popped out. I was chasing one of them earlier as well. So we just went and grabbed some food. We're heading back. It's 2 o'clock or so, 2:30. And we're heading up to the spot where we set up the climber and the little saddle spot. So I got my saddle on. I'm going to sit behind Peyton. And we'll see what happens, guys. These deer have been popping out of these woods right here on the edge. So there's a pretty decent 6-point that's come out a couple times. We're running out of time, so I think anything bigger than what, a 4-point? Yeah. Anything bigger than a 4-point, Peyton's gonna take a crack at it. So we'll see what happens tonight. We actually sat on the other side probably about 11 or 12 days ago or so for our first sit in the evening. We had a ton of deer out here. But we wanted to get down in this corner. We got a southwest wind blowing out of these woods where we expect these deer to come out of, and where they have been coming out of, blowing right across our face. So perfect little spot. I'm in the saddle, Peyton's in the climber. As soon as you get off that field, it just drops. Just a big drop. So we couldn't really sit on the ground like we have been. So after the morning hunt, I came in here, set up the climber about 6 feet for Peyton, and then I'm just kind of to the side of her in the saddle. And we got a beautiful view of this field. So anything that pops out right here should pretty much, for the most part, be in range. So it's cold, it's breezy, a couple little snowflakes here and there. It's probably 30 degrees. December 8th. So December grind. You never know. We'll see what happens. Hopefully they're coming out here to feed. So looking for a buck tonight. Anything bigger than a 4-point. So we'll see what happens, guys. Peyton's ready. Little
from school.